welcome to my daily video. It's raining and I'm outside in it. So today I thought, what better writing prompt than to write about rain? Okay, take 2 minutes, write about rain. Alright, so I'm out here in the rain, just me and my mint plant here. It smells so good. So I'll share what I wrote about the rain, and then we'll go on to our sketching prompt. Rain and rhythm, gentle steady beat, calming, comforting, lullaby, nature's night song. What's better than rain at night with an open window in the summer, listening to the gentle tap tap of yesterday's tears. Yesterday's tears have become rain. Nurturing the ground, plants and animals. Our sorrows are transformed. Our pain becomes a healing. Our weeping, part of the cycle of life. So, yesterday's tears have become rain is a saying from my teacher, Thich Nhat Hanh. So, can't take credit for that beautiful line. All right, and for our sketching practice, how about we just embody rain in some mark making? Just feel it, experience it. How does rain look? Not like a cartoon raindrop, unless you want to make a cartoon raindrop, go ahead. But how does it really feel in your body? What kind of marks do you want to make to embody rain? Let's try. Okay, so I thought I'd do my paper vertically because I think of rain as falling, and my paper is wet actually. So that adds, and I have like the lovely smell of mint. So I just, rain might be like marks like this. Maybe it's like really steady rain. Maybe it's kind of like dots, or like maybe it's pools on the ground. Maybe it's like circles. Maybe it's cartoon drops like that. So this is whimsical. This is a fun one. This is just have fun with it. This is just an impression of rain, an enjoyable experience. And I kind of like how the rain rained on my paper, so it gave me some wet spots. So really this is just mark making, this is just gestural, this is just feeling what rain feels like. So go for it. Have fun with it. See you tomorrow.